$1 billion for me title. Mama said baby the fucker them no like you.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Now look at the picture in front of you. That's Mavado and that's the youth we name Fox. I want to talk about this a little bit and kinda educate Mavado. Now me do a video on Mavado. Say him there Florida and him can't go back to Jamaica. And one of the reasons why him can't go back to Jamaica is because him have the police them have him son phone. I mean all of this information, like me say, it there on the internet and it there in the news media. This is public information. When we do the video on Mavado, a whole heap of people leak out and I say my bad minded and this and that. But me just speak facts. Now Mavado there Florida, and it just seems like to me, this is my opinion now, that Mavado have been making a series of bad decisions over a period of time. We can start back from when Drake give him the 100,000 or whatever for him to build a library. And the man not build a library. And Drake left him and deal with Popcaan. Now Popcaan worth 5 million US. And I start him own business, construction business, and them thing there. Now, this youth Fox. I also did a video on Fox, and in the video I outlined what's been going on with this young man, because this young man, he got caught up in some federal drug case and he ended up getting like 2 years. I think he did 1 year in jail. And he came out and went to Florida to live. And then he linked up with Mavado. Now, Fox been in the music thing. He's from Montego Bay. And, you know, him have a big house down on Mobile. And, you know, him TJ, him bring out TJ, bring out a couple different artists. Obviously, him know Squash and thing like that. And me's a man, me not knock a man. But in his court case, it is very questionable. And every man have to look out for themselves. And me not say him is an informer. But when you look at Fox court papers, it explains to you exactly what happens. And in the federal court system, you have an article or a part of their law called Article 41. Y'all can Google Article 41. And Article 41 pretty much explains that your co-accused has pretty much talked on you. Where you get that's the transcript and the Fox in the case. Now, the federal system used to send certain information to inmates or people in the case, but they don't do it anymore. They put it underneath an obscure policy called Article 41. And like I say, I'm not no legal scholar or anything like that, but I have friends and I can read, you know what I'm saying, and I understand, and it doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure that out. So my thing to Mavado is, and like I said, this is a short video, you know, but it has been riding me because I did the video on Fox, I did one on Mavado, and in both those videos I wanted to say this: tell Mavado to be very, very careful of Fox and be careful of the company he keeps. Now, like, you know, life, we as human beings, we are, how can I explain it? We are very mysterious then, put it like that, because like I said, I can have money and I am the worst person in the world, but people think everything I say and do is the right thing, and that's just how we are as human beings. So like I say, Fox might have certain characteristics and flex about him that people like, but that don't mean he's a stand-up guy. And I, like I said, I not knock him, but I need to put this video out to tell Mavado to be careful of the friends he's keeping, and that's what this video is about. So before I sign off this video, I am saying to Mavado, you're par with Fox. Just be very careful. Take your time and do some homework on him and him court case, because that's a lot of the mistake we make as people, like even me, because I have made a lot of mistakes. You know, even one time, believe it or not, you know, I got robbed by a guy in a wheelchair. Yeah, I got robbed by a man in a wheelchair, and when I told my friends them, the man them laugh off of me. I said, boy, countryman. But yeah, I got robbed by a man in a wheelchair. So the man in the wheelchair, you know, pretend he was crippled, and he was in a real wheelchair, not the one you use in a hospital. You know, the black crippled wheelchair, that's what the man had. And yeah, it was very terrifying. So all I'm saying to Mavado, just be careful of the friends them you're keeping. And that's all this video is about. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.